Hello, my name is Michelle Rodriguez, and I will be presenting my reimagination of Fences by August Wilson. So for setting in time, I wanted to keep it relatively the same. So I put some pictures in order to give you more of a visualization of what I wanted to look like. And also in the play, it is also very self-explanatory on what August wanted to envision. So I wanted to keep it the same because I also felt that if we were to change it, like make it like earlier or later in time, like 1980s or something like that, I felt that it would completely change the characters because, for example, sure he's the way he is because um of segregation and racism towards him because of the color of his skin, and he was denied the life he wanted because of that. And yeah, so for Troy, I decided to choose Idris Elba for the casting because Idris is I felt like it was more closely resembled in the way he in his works. They closely resemble like the characters he plays. They closely resemble their personalities in the way, and they are also close in age. So of course, I didn't want it to be completely drastic of what they were intended to be. And yeah, and also Troy is a very not fun character to say the least. He's very not negative, but sometimes he isn't the best either. Um, so yeah. So for Rose, I chose Tara Taraji P Henderson because I've seen her works. Well, I've seen her play in Hidden Figures, and I thought she was the best fit for Rose because Rose is a very motherly type of person in a way. He cares for Rylan, even though it's not even her child at all. It was illegitimate, and she cares for her as if it was her own daughter. And um, Henderson also has experience in works that are more that deal with like race and racial inequalities and segregation and stuff as she portrayed in her movie Hidden Figures. So I thought it would be best fit for Rose. For Cory, I chose Ron Flynn because they were really close in age. I didn't want it to be really different because I wanted someone that could also experience or at least know a little bit of what Cory was feeling when his dad was not accepting of his college career. He didn't want him to pursue his football because of Troy's experience in the past and why he's so negative in these type of situations. So I wanted it to. I feel like it also shows like the different views between both of them. Since Cory is younger, he did not have to go with what Troy went to because times have changed, so it isn't as bad as it was before. So I felt like that was a good choice for Cory. For Gabriel Maxon, I decided to choose Danny Glover because I noticed that Danny uses a lot. Well, his characters are he does a lot of serious roles and also sometimes like very silly. And I found that Gabriel is the type of person, but he isn't because he wants to. He's because of his disability that he got after he fought in World War II. And you can tell because he sometimes thinks of himself as unhuman, and how he chases the hell dogs and stuff like that, like he mentions throughout the play. And I also felt like good to he was best to fit Gabriel because Gabriel does have a really tough life, and like I said, Troy isn't the best in the play, as in like the way he is and the way he thinks of everything. So yeah, I chose Danny because I felt it was best fit for me and Gabriel. And for right now, Maxon, this is a fifth person I chose, and I chose Farrah Ferguson because they were, although right now is younger, she is 7 or 8. Farrah is 14, so I felt like she was the closest one I can get to that type of age, and she is honestly really good at those type of roles. And yeah, Ryanelle is a really like sweet person, and I felt Farrah can also like portray that really good. So this is my works cited. I hope you enjoyed it, and bye.